Hello everybody.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making a
So as you see right here, we are marinating the hot dogs in the bag. They've been marinating over a day. We let them roll in the juice that keeps them tender. And after we've let them sit in the bag for over a day, we put the hot dogs in the grill and cook them and rotate them on the grill until they're cooked on all sides. And here we'll have some asparagus to add to it and some corn that we're gonna cook also, just to give it a couple of sides that are healthy for you. The asparagus on a grill cooked, you know, after it's been sauteed and set in juice, it's pretty delicious. So you should try that as well.
Top it with whatever toppings you want
That you're used to putting on your regular hot dogs. Like, so we got some coleslaw, and we have pickles.
relish.
Oh, relish, sorry. And we also, as you've seen in the video, we have some corn.
And we also did some grilled asparagus too. As a side, it's a healthy side, you know. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Questions, comments in the description box or
Inbox, welcome.
down below. Make sure you subscribe,
Yes.
like, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat.